Hi everyone, I'm Carmen from the Featherweight Shop, and today I want to tell you about something new that we just received. Now I'm sure many of you watch Shark Tank and you probably saw these amazing thread cutters that were featured on one of the episodes. Well, we just got them in stock here, custom made for the Featherweight Shop. These thread cutters are really simple to put on your machine. They've got a peel and stick backing, so you simply peel the backing off and press it on to the lower portion of your faceplate. So you're attaching this to the chrome faceplate of the machine, and if you have to remove it someday, it'll come right off and it will not damage the chrome. This thread cutter will cut from either direction, and it is just effortless in how it works. I've never seen anything cut so easily like this before. Well, I think you're going to find this new thread cutter really helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at the Featherweight Shop. We're always glad to help.